You wake up, you open Ads Manager, and everything is gone. Your ad account, your business manager, your pixel, your audiences, all of it. And the worst part, Meta won't tell you why. If you run Facebook ads at any serious scale, this is the nightmare. One day, everything works. The next, your account is disabled, or your personal Facebook profile gets suspended and takes every ad account and business manager you had access to down with it, including your clients. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how serious advertisers build a Facebook structure that survives it, using Linkwave and Incogniton. Let's start with how bad this actually is. In a review of over 1,200 ad accounts, 78% ran into at least one restriction or full disablement. Advertisers spending 6 figures a month sat with accounts in limbo for weeks, with no human support to reach. And here's the part most people miss. Meta's enforcement is AI-driven. It doesn't just react to violations, it predicts them, based on your behavior, your device fingerprint, even how similar your ad creatives look to content that's already been banned, so you can do everything right and still get hit. Now, the technical reason this spreads across all your accounts comes down to one thing: fingerprinting. Meta doesn't just track your login, it reads your browser fingerprint, the unique mix of your device, browser, fonts, screen, and dozens of other signals. So even when you log out and switch accounts, Meta still sees the same device. And no, regular incognito mode does not fix this. Incognito clears your cookies, but your fingerprint stays exactly the same. So you need to solve this on 2 layers. Layer 1 is your Facebook infrastructure itself, and that's where Linkwave comes in. Layer 2 is keeping every account truly isolated, and that's Incogniton. Neither works as well without the other. Let me show you how they fit together. Incogniton is an anti-detect browser. Every profile runs in its own fully isolated environment with its own fingerprint, its own cookies, its own local storage, and its own IP address. To Meta, each profile looks like a completely different person on a completely different device. Linkwave Structures is an advertising infrastructure provider. They build and deliver ready-to-use Facebook structures with multiple business managers, profiles with defined roles, and all the login details included. Together, the idea is simple. If one part of your setup ever gets restricted, the rest keeps running. When you buy a structure from Linkwave, you receive what they call a structure sheet. In this video, the credentials are removed for privacy, so the sheet looks empty, but in reality, it arrives completely filled in and ready to use. It's basically the operating manual for your whole structure. Here's what's inside: 7 profiles, each with a defined role, 2 business managers, login credentials, 2 FA keys, and a dedicated Outlook account for every profile. And the logic behind the split matters. The advertising BM is your day-to-day layer. It holds the ad accounts and it's where you run campaigns. The pixel holder BM holds your pixel and your Facebook page separately. So if the advertising BM ever gets restricted, your pixel data and your audiences survive. Here are all the profiles, already set up and open at the same time inside Incogniton, each one fully isolated from the rest. Now let's actually log in. I'll walk through one profile and the rest follow the exact same steps. First, open the profile in Incogniton. We go to m.facebook.com and log in with the credentials from the structure sheet. Facebook asks for 2-factor authentication, so we take the 2FA key from the sheet, drop it into 2FA.live, and it generates the code. After that, Facebook often wants one more confirmation. It sends a security code to the email address tied to the profile, and this is exactly why every profile in the structure comes with its own dedicated Outlook account. We open Outlook inside the same Incogniton profile and sign in with the email and password straight from the structure sheet. Once we're in, we head to the inbox and look for the message from Facebook. It usually arrives within a few seconds, and inside is the confirmation code we need. We copy that code, switch back to the Facebook tab, and paste it into the verification field. And if Facebook adds an extra recovery or security check along the way, you handle it right here, using the same inbox to confirm. Once that's done, the profile is fully verified, fully active, and completely separate from every other profile in your structure. With the profile live, there are 3 steps to activate the structure. Step 1. From the pixel holder BM, we create the pixel and share it with the advertising BM. Step 2. We create the Facebook page and delegate it to the employee profiles. Step 3. Inside the Advertising BM employee profile, we connect the pixel to the ad account. And finally, the check that tells you it worked. We open Ads Manager and confirm both the pixel and the Facebook page show up and can be selected. If they're both there, your structure is live and you're ready to run ads. And that's it. This is how serious advertisers protect their Facebook infrastructure so one band can never take the entire system down with it. Linkwave delivers the structure. Incogniton keeps every part of it isolated. If you want to set this up yourself, the link to get started with Incogniton is in the description and pinned comment, along with the full Linkwave case study. Thanks for watching, and good luck building.